Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick tutorial of how to use OpenRouter and Janitor AI. So here's the step by Janitor AI on how to use the OpenRouter as to integrate with Janitor AI. So first off, right here you want to create an OpenRouter account. Click Profiles, go to Keys, go to click Create API Key, then give your new name. Confirm with create, copy and save your key somewhere on your phone and or computer. It will be gone after you click away. So in Janitor AI, you want to go there, open a chat, then open to API settings, go to menu, and then go to API settings or click using Janitor or proxy. Pick proxy. Set the following, which is the model name into this one. So you just want to open this one right here, which is the tutorial of how to do the OpenRouter. You just want to copy this, and for other models, you want to copy this one. So for a comparison, here are some suggestions below. After that, you want to click Save Settings, then refresh your Janitor AI chat, and you are good to go.